Hello, in this video we are going to use the what is command to show descriptions of commands. So for example, we've covered this command before, so feel free to check out the check file type video if you don't understand what this one is, but that's sort of what this command's about. So if I just drag on, let's say, any file onto it, click enter, this file command says what type of data it is. In this case, it's ASCII text. If I want to know what the actual file command does, we can get some information about it by doing what is, then the command, so file, there we go, it says it determines the file type, and that is really cool. So if I do what is history, stick a new history library, what is ls, list directory content. So this is great if you see a command, maybe you are following some sort of tutorial series online. I find this especially useful if you're following maybe a written tutorial series and there's a bunch of commands. So it's just great to know what each command is doing. Maybe you've been using a command for ages and you have a rough idea, but you want to know a definitive, concrete, definition. And that is what the what is command is there for. That's it, nothing else to it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.